Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to stop the workout on this watch. First, let's start the workout so we can stop it. So I'm gonna open the workout menu and start, I don't know, maybe walk. Okay, after the countdown is complete, the workout will start. And here we have it. You can do your workout, do whatever you want with it. And once you record some stats, you can stop it by swiping right on the screen and then tapping on end. And after you stop the workout, you will be back to the workout menu. And if the workout was long enough and it had any data recorded, you can check that data by opening the fitness application on the iPhone that is paired with your watch, your Apple Watch. And in the app, you can tap on sessions right here. And here you will see the list of sessions. And you can tap on one to check the workout details, basically. Okay. And that's how you stop the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.